Hey, this is a quick video. Someone had a problem on Facebook about when you password protect your pages. You know the situation, quick edit, and you can go and add a password. I've just put 123 here. And then when you go to view the page, this is what you see. Now, obviously, it's going to be stylized to your background styling. So if you've got a color or an image, it will show that. But you get this like entering your password, you get a message, hit enter, and it's in the top left of your page. And it can look quite ugly because like the person who asked the question, here's their page and they were struggling. So I'm going to give you some CSS and JavaScript to move that and change the wording as well. Here's the CSS and I'm going to drop this in the video description so you can go and copy it. Now, the most important part of this is the page ID, which over here says 988. Where do you get the page ID from? All you got to do is go back over to your page, just hover over it. And can you see in the bottom left, it says post 988. Now, if you're struggling to get that, go and inspect your page or the HTML and you'll see it there as well. But hover over the title and you'll see post 988. Go and customize this bit here to say 988. So whatever is the number for your page, drop that in. Now, as far as the code goes, I've gone and added in some extra details like login to access. So this is what you currently see. There is no title there. But now I'm adding in a title and then I've gone and done some changes here to how it's going to position the text. So it's going to move it to the middle. And then I've also stylized out the button as well. Now, if your button is styling correctly, you could leave that bit of the CSS out over here. So what is the button when you see it and what happens when you hover over it? And you go back to your page, you will now see it's moved it to the middle. I mean, yeah, okay, you might want to do more to it, but this is a good start. It's gone and stylized out the button to how I want it to be. If you want to add a border color, you could just modify that bit of CSS. But what if you also want to change this wording? Go to code snippets and drop this in, and a link to this will be in the video description. All you've got to do is change this bit over here. Oh, sorry, you do need to add in the 988 as well. So make sure you drop in your page ID. So if your page ID was 1000, stick in 1000. But I've now changed the message. So this is what it was before. This content is password protected. View it, enter in your password. Instead, now I'm going to say you've reached a page that is password locked. Enter your password to access the content or visit this particular URL. And I've made it a clickable URL to gain access. So let's do save changes and activate. Go back over to the page, refresh it. This is what we now get. So if maybe they need to go and purchase a product or they need to contact someone or maybe they need to be sent to a contact page or wherever, they could now do that. You click that, it's going to take you to another page. And when you enter in your password and hit enter, it lets you go into the page as it should do anyway. So CSS code for a bit of styling and a JavaScript over here, not JavaScript, yeah, a bit of JavaScripting, whatever you want to call it, snippet to do a little bit more. Hey, I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope that helps you out. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame. There's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.